How to save a seller on eBay app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save a seller on eBay easy and fast. So first thing, go to eBay app. This is the home page as you can see. Now choose the product that the seller is selling. For example, I'm gonna choose this laptop right here. Click on the product. Now all what you have to do to save the seller of this product, for example, is go down until you find the seller right here. As you can see, now all what you have to do is click save seller option right here. Now the seller is saved successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.